All right, everyone, this is option B, the altered states of consciousness word cloud. So you'll go to that website where it says word art, and then you don't need to sign up or log in. You just simply click on create. And then I'm just going to drag this over a little bit so you can see a little bit better. So you'll see you can do a lot of different things here. It looks a little confusing, but it's actually pretty simple to use. So what you do is you type in what words you want. So let's say I want to talk about sleep. And then maybe I do dreams. Maybe I do REM sleep if I'm talking about, sleep and things like that. So you can choose as many words as you want, and then you go to shapes. Let's say I want to do, let's do the rainbow here. Fonts, we'll do that. Layout, you can do whatever way you want. I'm just kind of picking some random ones here, and then you can pick some different colors. I'll just pick a different one here for that. Okay. And then you'll see you can just go to visualize. Give it a minute to do that. And then there is my creation. So you can see it's put the different words that I threw in there into this nice little picture. So again, then you just take a screenshot of that and upload it to me. So have some fun with this. Good luck.